Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to send documents to yourself on WhatsApp. This incredibly useful feature lets you create a private chat with just yourself, acting as a personal digital notepad. It's perfect for quickly saving important information, links, or files you want to access later, all within the convenience of your favorite messaging app. To begin, simply open your WhatsApp application. Look for the new chat icon, usually a speech bubble or a pen on paper symbol, and tap it. At the very top of your contacts list, you will see your own name. Tap on it to initiate a brand new, private chat exclusively for you. It's that straightforward to set up your personal space. Once your personal chat is open, sending a document is just like sharing with any other contact. Tap the attachment icon, which often looks like a paperclip. From the options, select Document. You can then browse and choose any file from your device. WhatsApp allows you to send documents up to an impressive 2 GB in size, making it ideal for various file types. This Message Yourself feature is fantastic for keeping track of important notes, forwarding interesting articles, or storing documents you need on the go. For even quicker access, consider pinning your self-chat to the top of your main chats list. This ensures your personal storage space is always just one tap away, keeping your digital life organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.